Everyone around this table has one thing in common. Last year, they almost died. The circumstances that brought them into intensive care may be different, but since leaving hospital, many face similar problems.
The doctors, they can give you the medication, but they're not experienced what you've went through in the ICU, and it's only the people here that I can really identify.
I was very tearful, and when the nurses came, they would talk away and I'd end up green. And I don't know why I do it. Then when I came here, everybody says they were doing the same.
It's very emotional, so it is. But when you come here, they know how to treat you, give you your answers, and it's a great help.
This group of patients were among the 46,000 in Scotland who required critical care last year. Over 14,000 people needed treatment in intensive care. Here, guided by a psychologist, patients describe the delirium they experienced.
And I thought it was so real, and I was still saying it when I got out.
They also receive advice from doctors, pharmacists, physiotherapists and citizens' advice during the 5 weekly sessions.
You could see the immediate relief on people's faces. When you've had a critical illness, it will affect you in so many different ways that you don't realise, not just physically, mentally, socially, and more importantly, financially. But the biggest thing I think that we've recognised was the fact that carers really struggle as well.
Which is why family members are also invited to attend alongside their loved one. A recent survey of carers taking part in InSPIRE found that 53% had symptoms of post-traumatic stress. Helping to make these sessions as relaxed as possible are the volunteers. They include former patients.
You've really to restart your life again, and with talking to other ex-patients, they're in the same position as well. I had a double strangulated hernia and then I had sepsis, which has got a 70% mortality rate. So I was one of the lucky 30%. So I have a lot to be thankful for.
61-year-old Mary is also thankful after 2 stays in intensive care in 2 years.
I couldn't breathe last April, and then this April I was the same, and I went in and I took a cardiac arrest in the hospital. I'm waiting in this April coming up and I'm hoping I get by it. I'm laughing now, but it's terrifying to think of that.
Our desire would be that InSPIRE as an organisation provides a voice for ICU patients, that something similar to InSPIRE can be available in every ICU for ICU survivors if they want it or if they think their patients require it.
My outlook was when I come out is I don't want to look back, I want to look forward, try and get better and get well, and this place has definitely helped that.
I'm back doing everything I was doing. Not as good as I was, but I'm doing it.
Staff say they're the ones smiling months later. When patients turn up alone for their check-up, it's usually a sign that they're regaining their independence. Sharon Frew, STV News.